Welcome to another tutorial of Proflan. We are going to look at these simultaneous equations, and you are told that the straight line L has the equation y equals to k plus 2x minus 1. The curve C has the equation y equals to x squared plus 2x plus 11. And you are supposed to find a set of values of k for which L does not touch C. This is a question of P1 A-level math, and let me just take you through easy steps you're going to follow. So you are going to equate this equation and this equation first so that you can be able to work it out. So we are going to say that in order to solve this, we are going to equate the first equation and the second equation. So this is going to be x squared plus 2x plus 11 should be equals to k into 2x minus 1. So opening the brackets here, or we can decide and take this on the other side. We can have x squared plus 2x minus k into bracket 2x minus 1 plus 11 is equals to 0. Once you have done that, you can open this bracket here, and we shall have x squared plus 2x minus 2kx plus k plus 11 is equals to 0. We can put the like terms together with those with x together, and this is going to be x squared plus 2 minus 2k x plus k plus 11 is equals to 0. So once we are here, I want you to realize that this is a quadratic equation whereby a in this case is 1, our b is this one, which is equals to 2 minus 2k, and our c is equals to k plus 11. In the case whereby we are told that the curves do not cross or touch, it means our discriminant should be less than 0. The discriminant should be less than 0. But discriminant is usually the formula b squared minus 4ac, which is less than 0. That's the formula we're going to use to work out the discriminant in that case. So which will mean, substituting this into the formula, we shall have our b is 2 minus 2k squared minus 4 times a. Our a is 1 times c. Our c is k plus 11 less than 0. So with this, what are we going to do? We shall open this bracket, right? Opening this bracket is going to reduce to 4 minus 8k, okay, then plus 4k squared. This one will be minus 4 times this will be minus 4k, minus 4 times 11 to be minus 44, and everything less than 0. So we are here, we are going to say 4k squared. So this is going to be 4k squared minus 8 minus 4 is going to translate to minus 12k, positive 4 and negative 44, that will translate to negative 40, is less than 0. Now, in order to work out this is a quadratic inequality. For you to solve a quadratic inequality, first you are going to treat this as an equal sign, so that you will have 4k squared minus 12k minus 40 is equals to 0. If we divide all through by 4, our inequality is going to reduce to that. Then now solving this quadratic equation, let's treat this inequality as an equal sign to be k squared minus 3k minus 8 is less than 0. So we can now say is equals to 0, k minus 5, k plus 2 and k minus 5 is equals to 0. So we can say k plus 2 is equals to 0. So this implies that our k is going to be negative 2 when we take it on the other side, and also k minus 5 equals to 0. This implies that our k is equals to 5. Now, because we are supposed to find set of values of k, Remember, whatever we were solving was a quadratic inequality. Then we are supposed to sketch that graph the way it looks like. The graph is having a positive coefficient of k, so meaning it's a quadratic that is going to open that way. So this graph, our graph is going to be like that for this quadratic. And the solution we have gotten is -2 and then +5. Now, since we are talking of the graph less than 0, meaning we are focusing on the lower point of this graph, so we are talking of this region. This is the region that is less than 0. So the value of k that satisfies this region is the value of k which is greater than -2 but less than 5. That's how we are supposed to give our answer. So our k is greater than -2 but less than 5, and that is what you are supposed to do in order to earn the 6 marks for this A level math question.